Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate conversions. This is the best and most popular CPA network. How beginners can understand this process step by step. We will cover how to choose the right offers, how to use links in a proper way. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any kind of income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on OgAds platform. Here you can see you can easily monetize your website, blog, app or social media accounts with OgAds. OgAds network have lots of high-paying CPA offers to choose from. You can choose high-paying CPA offers to promote on your website. Here you can see overview. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your username, email address, password. You can repeat password and then you can click on next step button. Now you can type here your first name, last name, your address. You can select here your country and then click on next step button. You can type your general information and then you can click on next step button. You can read and agree its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on finish button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on tools button. Now you can click on a smart links button. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see I have created 3 smart links. You can simply click here to create a smart link. You can type your name. Now you can type your notes. This is optional. You can type your redirect URL. You can paste your movie URL. You can paste your YouTube video URL. You can paste your any kind of URL that should follow OgAds rules. This URL will be locked. For example, I'm going to lock your movie URL. You can visit on YouTube. You can search your new movie Hollywood. Here you can see there are a lot of movies in search result. You can copy URL of any of this movie. For example, you can click here. Now you can click on share button. Here is showing URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on OgAds platform. You can paste that URL. This URL will be logged. When any person will complete the CPA offer, then that user will be redirected on this URL. Now in next step, you will have to add offers in this smart link. You can click on offers button. Click on add offer button. You can select your country, United States. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers. You can simply click here to add this CPA offer in your smart link. At last, you can click on create a smart link button. Yeah, here we go. You can see I have successfully created a smart link. Now click on actions button. Click on view details button. Here is showing a smart link. You can use this link to promote. You can copy this link. Now you can insert this link on your website. If you do not have website, then don't worry. You can visit on Google Sites. You can click here to open this blank template. Now you can click here to delete this header section. You can type your site name. You can type this kind of site name. Now you can scroll down. You can click on YouTube button. You can search your movie. You can search your Hollywood movie. Here you can see there are a lot of movies in search result. You can insert any of this movie on your Google site. You can simply click here to select this movie. Now you can click on insert button. You can see I have inserted some movies in this Google site. I'm going to customize this site. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you will have to insert a smart link on this Google site. You can visit on OgAds network. Here is showing a smart link. You can copy this link. Now you can go on Google site. You can click on text box. You can type your text. You can type your this kind of text. You can select this text. Now you can increase this size. You can click on this link icon. You can paste your OgAds smart link. Now click on apply button. Now you can click here to duplicate this text. You can drag this text here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. You can type your unique web address. Now you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. This Google site has published successfully. Click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can open that URL in new tab. You can see this Google site is looking attractive and great. Users can click here to play this movie. When user will click on this button, then OgAds network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required action, then they will be redirected on this URL. That user can watch full movie on YouTube. I have inserted YouTube movie URL. That user can be redirected on YouTube. For that action, you will get one lead. So friends, this is how OgAds network work. Only you will have to share your Google site to get visitors. You can share your Google site on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get visitors. You can share your Google site every day. You can visit on Rumble platform. Guys, this is the best and most popular platform. Here you can see this platform is getting more than 44 million visitors per month. As you can see, Rumble platform is getting 63.9% visitors from United States. You can create account on this platform and then you can simply upload your movie scene. And in the video description, you can add your Google site URL. You can get loads of visitors from Rumble platform on your Google site. So friends, try this method to generate leads. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.